Hello, Ian here, Tamar Caravan Centre. Today's video is to show you how to operate the control panel on the 2023 Swift range. So this control panel is in the Sprite, and the Challenger is also in our dealer special, which is what we're in now, which is the Mayflower. So to operate the control panel, this is your main on and off switch just here. So you literally have it on. I'm not going to turn it off now because we'd be in the dark, but you press this one on and off there like this. So this switch just here, this is for the lights. So does all the main lights of the van, although the lights do have their own individual switches as well. This one here is for the levels. So this is for the leisure battery, and this one here would be for your towing vehicle. This is giving us an indication of what the battery is doing. At the moment, because we're plugged into mains, which we can see just here, this is giving us a slightly false reading because the battery is actually being charged. If you weren't on mains, then it would give you a reading up to the 12 just here. So this is good, okay, and then that battery is dead. When it's plugged into mains, this is when you'll be charging your leisure battery. This little light just here indicates that we're plugged into mains and the leisure battery is charging. If we are plugged into the tow vehicle, there would be a little light just here. Green is good, amber is okay, and red is dead. So this one would also feed onto this reading just here. The important to know in the tow vehicle battery is if whilst you're towing you wanted to trickle charge the leisure battery and run the fridge whilst towing. If your vehicle battery is weak, it will come up on here. The car takes the primary feed, so then once the car is full, it'll flick over and start feeding the caravan. So that's the importance of knowing the levels just up here. This switch just here is for the water pump. So whenever you're demanding on any of the taps or the shower, you must turn the water pump on. You turn it on and off like this. And then this switch just here is for the awning light, which is this one outside. You can turn it on and off there like that. To turn the power off, you literally switch your power button just there. Hopefully you found that video helpful. We do have a lot more how-to videos. You can see those videos here.